Hey guys, in this video we are going to normalize the data, normalize and denormalize using Talend. Okay, normalize flat row with items, split a record having comma separated value for a column into multiple records. So you can see that this is the data. Okay, you can see this is the data ID name. Okay, and this is close randomly. I give any name of that attribute, and we give randomly data inside the table. So you can see that one a semicolon B semicolon DF. Okay, this is a random data I gave. So we want this data in a separate row. Okay, so how we are going to get output? You can see that just one example here. Yeah, you can see that A B D F. So we created the separated row for the each data. So ID number one, name A, and cloth is A B D F. Like that we are going to get output, and we will store store this table like that in the database. So how we are going to do this? Using the Talend software we are going to do this. Okay, we will take data from the Excel sheet and we will store in the database. But firstly we will see that how we will get output, then we can store easily in database, no problem. Now let's start. So firstly we have to create the Excel sheet. We already create the here Excel sheet, so but no problem, we will create it again. Create, so we can learn easily. Give name anything, test 1 2. Okay, select that sheet. Where is this is one. Yeah, done. Sheet 1, this is the sheet 1. Okay, we got that Excel sheet. Done. Next, so here you can see the preview value, no problem. Done. Select or not, no problem. Here we can see the table, how it will is, yeah, how the table we have and how we are going to store. So firstly we can review. It will take a little time, no problem. Just wait a second. No problem. Yeah, you can see that preview. Well, you can see the table. Okay, this table we are going to convert into the table with normalization. So how we are going to do? First we do the next. Okay, it's taking time, no problem. Just chill. Okay, done. Please do fast. Okay, good. You can see this is the column ID name clothes. Okay, and convert this ID as a primary key. So done, finish. Okay, test 1 it's okay. Okay, now what we want this test. So take from there to there, t file input Excel, take. Okay, done. Good. Okay, done. Now what we have to do? Nothing. We have no need to do anything because we drag this Excel sheet from here to here. Okay, done. Everything is done. Now we want tNormalization. If here it's showing tNormalization because I already search, and you can, if it is not visible here, so you can type here tNormalize, and you will get this. Take it and put here. Okay, connect with this. Right click, row, main, then, and click here. And what? Okay, see, we want to that segregate that close na. So right here close, and here was a semicolon, not comma. If there was comma, so that's also no problem. We can put here comma, so it will segregate according to comma. But there is a semicolon. We want to segregate the data using the semicolon. Okay, done. Oh, we want t-log row, so it will print the data. Right click, main, connect. Done. Click here, component, check here. We want to print as a table, print value in the cell table. Okay, done. Everything is done. Anything is missing? I think no. Let's see. This is done. Let's check here. Edit schema. We can check here. View. Done. Fine. Okay, now let's run. Okay, it will take some second. No problem. Okay, just wait. It's running. Let's see what we are going to get output. Connected. Done. Yeah, you can see the output. Okay. Yeah. We segregate that data in a different row. See, there was A different, B is different, DF is different. Now for the ID number 2, A is different, B is different. That means which data was in one cell here like that. So we segregate those data into different column, different row. So we can do like that. If you can see the details. If you want to store the data, this table inside the database, so you have to connect with the database and just store there. Okay, this thing we will do in next video. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you guys.